So this demo is going to show a spaceship overlaid on top of the screen, and the rest of the demo is the same. So if I press any key, we get the effect of a spaceship flying over a landscape. Yes, maybe I should add a shadow or something, but that's what that does. It's not that visible, so I'm going to just colour the spaceship. I know which row it's on, 162, 167. Trying to colour it differently by poking the right value into the row on the left hand side. And if I poke it with 4, I should get blue. Here we go. Now it would be nice to colour in the screen with, or fill in the top of the screen with a few stars maybe. So to get random numbers, I will first reset the variable A, which actually loads it with the timer value, which is kind of random because since this computer was booted, I don't know what value it could be. Then let's do, and then I have to seed that with the random that value with the random number seed. So that initializes the random number generator, and then now I can do maybe 30 stars, 31 stars to be precise, and just plot a point at random 0 modulus 240, random, and RND 0 means the next random number, and this one may be only up to 80, and then do that. There we go, that's a little starscape. And now if I print the variable loopland, I will see that it's still got the address of the machine code program. So now I can call loopland, which loops the landscape, and that gives me a rolling landscape with a spaceship and a starry background.